Angel number 626. Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 626. The number 626 is made up of the energies and qualities of the number 6 and the number 2. The number 6 appears twice, which makes its effects stronger. The vibrations of the number 6 are humanitarianism, community, service to others, love of home and family, care and nurturing, simplicity, domesticity and social responsibility, grace and gratitude, finding solutions and solving problems. Number 6 is also about important things and provision. Number 2 adds balance and harmony, partnerships and relationships, adaptability, diplomacy and cooperation, encouragement, duality, faith and trust, and serving your divine life purpose. Angel number 626 is a sign that you should trust that things will work out for the best. The dedication and hard work you've put into living a conscious, balanced, and centered life have brought a steady flow of good things into your life. This makes sure that you're always taken care of and have what you need. Hold positive thoughts and expect good things to happen. Give your worries about money to the angels, because everything you need will be given to you as you serve your soul's purpose. Angel number 62, the 6th of May, also be telling you that you are about to make a big purchase, or get a big new possession. This could be something you have worked hard for or something that is meant to make your life better. You are surrounded by strong, loving angels who want to help you in all parts of your life, especially at home, with your family, and with your relationships. Angel number 626 tells you to be diplomatic, loving, and helpful to others so that you can set a good example for them to follow. Trust that the loving energies and advice of your angels will help you heal, solve problems, and bring healing to everyone. Realize that you can take on and overcome any challenge, and that you can be happy and successful in any way you choose. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.